Hello friends and welcome back to your own YouTube channel Go First TDS, and in today's video we are going to learn about rational numbers and irrational numbers, basics of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So as you know that in book also the definition is written, rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. Now, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q. Whenever we are going to express any number in the form of p upon q, both p and q are integers and denominator should not be equal to 0. The numbers are called rational numbers. This definition is already written in your book. Now I am going to give you one more definition. Rational numbers can be expressed as the ratio of two integers. So when we are going to express the ratio of any two integers, we got a rational number. Like -5 and 3, both are integers, and if I am going to express -5 and 3 in the ratio form, that is -5 by 3, I got a rational number. So I hope you understood the definition of rational number. Now let us take 1. Is 1 a rational number? Let us check. 1 can be expressed as 2 by 2, or we can write -10 by 10 also, or we can write 1000 by 1000 also. So in all these cases we saw that 1 can be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Yes, 1 is also a rational number. So can a decimal number is also a rational number? Let us check with an example. 1.5. 1.5 can be written as 15 upon 10. Yes, 15 and 10 both are integers. That means 1.5, which is 15 by 10, is also a rational number. So decimal numbers are also expressed in the form of rational numbers. Now, can we have more rational numbers? Let us check about more rational numbers. Suppose we have 3.75. So 3.75 can be expressed as 375 by 100. So yes, it is a rational number. But here you have seen that after decimal, that is 75 or 75, after decimal we have seen that digits ends up. That means whenever I am going to divide two numbers, it is completely divisible. So after decimal, digits ends. These type of numbers are called terminating decimals. Why terminating decimals? Because after decimals, digits ends up. There is no repeating of digits. So these are called terminating decimals. Now suppose we have an example where digits is repeating, that is 0.66666 and so on. So what type of numbers are these? These numbers are called non-terminating but repeating or recurring decimal. Non-terminating. Non-terminating means after decimal the digits are not ends up, it continues, right? But digits are repeating again and again. The same digit 66666, it is repeating again and again. So these are called non-terminating but repeating decimals, and yes, they are also a rational number. 0.6666 can also be written as 0.6 bar. How we are going to express it in the form of rational number, that I will explain you in next videos. So up to here you should understand that whenever we have terminating decimal numbers, they are also rational numbers, and whenever we have non-terminating but repeating decimals, they are also rational numbers. So what do you think? All the numbers or all the decimal numbers are rational numbers, or are we left with any other numbers? Let us check. Now suppose we have pi. Value of pi, you know, 3.141592 and so on. And let us take a prime number 2. The value of 2 is, square root of 2 is 1.4142135 and so on. One more prime number we have root 3, which is equal to 1.73205081 and so on. In all these three cases, what you have seen? We have seen that after decimal, digits are not ends up. It continues. And digits are not repeating also. You can see here in all these cases, digits are not repeating also. So what type of numbers are these called? These type of numbers are called non-terminating, non-repeating or recurring decimal. They are non-terminating. Non-terminating means after decimal the digits are not ends up, and non-repeating means digits are not repeating again and again. These are called non-terminating and non-repeating or non-recurring decimal. So these type of numbers we have irrational numbers. So I hope you understood what are rational numbers and what are irrational numbers. In next video, I will explain you more about rational and irrational numbers. Till then, take care and bye-bye.